Hi guys, okay, so today we're working with Wowangel. I think this is actually my first time working with them. I've heard so many good things about their lace, so I definitely cannot wait to install this wig today. Today I'm working with their Kinky Straight wig, and as you guys can see, the wig literally comes with everything you need to install the wig. So today I'm working with their 13x6 skin-like real HD lace Kinky Straight Glueless Wig. So it comes pre-plucked with a very natural hairline, and it comes pre-bleached as well. So literally all you need to do is just to go ahead and install this wig straight out of the box. But I think I am going to go ahead and just pluck the hairline a bit more, you know, just so it can suit my natural hairline and my natural head shape, should I say. But one thing I can definitely say is that the knots on the lace are so tiny, so this is definitely going to help to give a very natural looking install. The wig comes with an adjustable elastic band for you to adjust this to your head size. It comes with some combs on the inside and at the back of the wig, and it also comes with an adjustable elastic strap at the back of the wig. And for me, with all my wigs, I always clip the adjustable strap together. I feel like this kind of helps to give a better grip, better security. I don't know, it just works for me. So this is what the hairline looks like now that I've plucked it a bit more. I feel like this looks a lot better, looks more natural. So you don't have to do this because the hairline did come pre-plucked, but this was just my personal preference. And now I've just applied some makeup on the lace, you know, to help it match my skin tone better, and this is how it's looking. Okay guys, okay, so this is what the hairline looks like once the wig is on. So I did apply some makeup just to help the lace match my skin tone better, and I think this looks so good. Like, I'm so excited to install this wig. Do you guys see how good the lace looks? I'm literally installing this wig right now and I'm like, where is the lace? You guys, what lace? And I've not even melted the lace in. I've not used any spray or anything like that. So one thing I do like to do, I'm not a professional hairstylist, so sometimes after creating the hairline that I want, I like to leave some lace, you know, just a bit of space on the lace, you know, to help me install the wig better. Like, for example, the next time I decide to install this wig, I can easily install the wig even though it still has this hairline. But I feel like hairstylists would literally go in around the hairline and cut off the lace. I always find it difficult to install my wig once they do that. So for me, I just prefer to leave some lace so it's easier for me to install, you know. You just want to make sure you can tuck the lace behind your ears so it sits comfortably. You guys, I actually think I can get away with not using any hairspray, but I am going to use my hairspray today just because I really want to melt the lace in. But this fits so snug and so secure on my head without me using any hairspray. I even actually took out the adjustable elastic band that was inside of the wig, and I've only used the straps on the inside, clipped it together, and I have a glueless wig, literally glueless wig. So this is very beginner friendly. But now I'm gonna go ahead and use my bed head spray. literally just taking some of that hairspray, the bed hairspray, and I'm just using this to mold the hairline. And now I'm just going to take my hot comb from Glueless collection. This hot comb gets so hot, it's not even a joke. So I'm using this on 395 because I don't think I can go any hotter than that, okay? So I'm just going to use this to press, you know, to hot comb the hairline. Yeah, you guys, I've just taken off the melt band and I'm just so impressed as to how good this looks. Like, it looks so good, so good. The lace, the melt, everything is just, yeah. So this is how it looks. Okay, so now you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten the hair. This is the Kinky Straight hair texture, like I said. And I'm also gonna use my hair straighteners from Glueless collection. This also gets very hot, so it makes my life a lot easier. I don't have to sit here trying to straighten my wigs track by track. So this is what the wig is giving so far. Like, I'm just so in love with this wig. I love the lace, I love the hairline, I love the hair itself. Like, yeah, this is giving laid to perfection in my own personal opinion. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some concealer, you know, just to define my middle part a bit more. So yeah, you guys, that brings me to the end of today's video. Wow, Angel, this is my first time working with you and I'm just so impressed. The lace, the hairline customization, and I don't know if I already mentioned to you guys, this is the 13x6 lace front wig, so it goes all the way down, and this allows you to do any hairstyle that you would like. There's more parting space. You can do a half up, half down, you know, you can do whatever. A deep side part, anything you want to do. So yeah, this is what the hair is giving, and I just love how natural this looks, you know, with the hair texture as well. So also, I'm gonna make sure to list everything that you guys need in the description box below, so make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.